Hey guys, Glenn Murray, Affiliate Profit Pages. Welcome to my Profit Contact review and demo. I'm going to give you a full walkthrough, and also I threw some bonuses together. Now, what is Profit Contact? Well, before I answer that, make sure you hit the subscribe button, please, and give us a thumbs up. I'm going to show you how to get this amazing program, plus how to get some discounts on it as well. So if you're looking for an automated lead generation tool, this is a great one. This uses a program called WhatsApp. If you don't know what WhatsApp is, you're probably living under a rock. But basically, WhatsApp has an incredible amount of users. And let me show you. I'm going to show you my bonus page, and then we'll go in and watch the demo. And then we'll walk through the front page and the demo. I can show you the back office, but really the demo really shows the back office, so we don't need to. It's pretty simple. I love these programs, and why I love them, I'm going to give you ones that do Twitter, LinkedIn. What else do we have there? Instagram. They're just great programs. So let's check it out right now. So here's the bonus page for Profit Contact. A traffic stream that is fully automated, red hot right now, impossible to beat by competitors. There's going to be the demo right there. So what is it? It's the world's first brand new software that automatically finds WhatsApp targeted leads, adds their phone as contact, then sends unlimited messages with your affiliate link. Super cool program. The tons of upsells and downsells. Remember, if you want, here's a tip. I want to get a thumbs up. If you want to get a cheaper price, scroll off the page, and you'll get a discount coupon will pop up. Front end is going to be $17, $15 with the swipe. Pro edition will be $37, enterprise $47, done for you $39. That's a really good price for a done for you guys. I love done for you programs because basically they set everything up for you. Reseller edition $97, so you get 100% commissions on it. And the IMX bundle, if a program offers IMX, I really recommend getting the IMX because you then get access to all their software. It's very cool. I have IMX, so it's a very cool thing. So you don't have to build a list. Unlimited WhatsApp messaging. You ping their phone. They answer immediately. So that's basically it. What I'm giving you, I'm going to give you YouTube Velocity. I'm going to give you TweetX, Twitter one. I'm going to give you Xena, which is another traffic program. Profit Force, another traffic program. These are full-blown programs, guys. These aren't just info products. Cleopatra, this one gets LinkedIn, love it. And then all the vendor bonuses are going to be going to you, plus some other, I'm going to throw in a bunch of these bonuses here, so you can check that out. So let's go over and watch the demo video, and then we'll look at the front page. And then if you want to just go grab it, click the link below. You'll go through my bonus page, and then you can grab it. So let's go. Here it is, Profit Contact demo.
WhatsApp messages have a 99% open rate, out of which 97% are opened within the first 15 minutes of delivery. That's incredible, whereas email has maximum 10% for any marketing emails, maybe less. And today I'm going to show you exactly how easy it is to leverage WhatsApp for your business using Profit Contact. So first we go to WhatsApp and then we click on Add Account. Here we get a code. I'm going to scan it with my own phone right now. Done, as simple as that. And we're logged in. Here we can see my access token as well as all of the information about my device, so we know it's all okay. Then we can see our chats, and here we have our chat. Now we can use Profit Contact to actually chat through WhatsApp, so we don't even have to use the autoresponder or ChatBot. And then we can check out the other features. So here we have an autoresponder, and here I'm just going to set it to individual and just going to type any message. Here we have a preview of how it's going to look on WhatsApp, so you can also post any kind of photos, media, anything you want to make your message look as attractive as possible. You can select it to accept contacts if you don't want some of your contacts receiving this message. And once you click on submit, and anytime someone messages you, you are going to be replying to them with this. So you can set it up whenever you're on a vacation, if you have a business WhatsApp account, or you can send them affiliate links. Anything you want is possible with ProfitContact. Then we have bulk messaging, where we can create our campaign, we can create schedules to manage all of these bulk messaging campaigns, and we can also manage our contacts. For now, I'm just going to create a group with one contact, and now we can create a campaign. Done. And now we're waiting for ProfitContact to send the message. Meanwhile, let's check out the chatbot. The chatbot is using simple syntaxes. So you can select it again to send it to all individual or only to a single group, like the group we just created. So whenever someone sends you a message using a certain keyword, you can make the chatbot reply to that message. So if someone says help, you can then send them to your support page and anything like that. We can create any type of syntaxes we want. And last but not least, we can export all of our contacts so you can then upload them wherever you want. You can have all of those awesome phone numbers in one place. But that's not all about ProfitContact. You also have access to a file manager, so you can upload images directly into ProfitContact and then directly use them from it. You don't need to upload anything from your desktop, just upload the images here and then use them from ProfitContact. You have captions, so you can write predefined text you can use in your autoresponder, chatbot, wherever you want. And then you have messaging, which is for SMS. And this is only for our pro users. So once you create your list and you add phone numbers, you can also import the list you got from WhatsApp. I'm going to just compose a message right now, something like this is so cool. I'm just going to send. The list has my phone number, so we should get a message immediately. And surely enough, here it is. Perfect. Now, with that being said, let's check back on my contact in WhatsApp and let's see if the message was sent. And of course, you can see it 43 seconds ago, the message was sent. And as I said, you can also just type here like, welcome to ProfitContact. Send, and it will immediately send into our WhatsApp conversation. If I'm checking on my phone, I'll see the exact same thing. You also have cool stats like it shows that you're connected, it shows you your battery, so you can always know what's happening with your device. ProfitContact is incredibly easy to use. And if you want to take your marketing to the next level, take advantage of this offer right now. Thank you, and I'll see you inside.
Very cool. Very cool. There's some really cool features I like about that. I love the SMS messaging. That's very powerful. My wife uses that all the time in her business, and it's very, very effective. People open up their text messages. They can easily unsubscribe, so it's not a hassle. The other thing, I love that the images are actually stored with them. I don't know if you know some programs where you have to upload an image to your server and then use a URL link in order to use it in another program. So that's very, very cool. So those are some very, very cool things. We're going to pop over to the sales page here and see if there's any other tidbits we want to look through. So let's go here. Basically, so what's in it? Unlimited cloud-based, send any message with any link to offer 2 billion people in 180 countries, 98% open rate, instantly import unlimited contacts, no contacts, get red hot phone leads for you on autopilot, say goodbye to boring email autoresponders. Chatbot is really cool, guys. Love that stuff. No monthly fees, pay once, double your money. Like, this is phenomenal. My wife pays monthly for her SMS program, so this is totally cool. Step 1, log in. Step 2, upload your contacts list or let the app find red hot phone leads. Step 3, relax and ProfitContact blast any message with any link. So very, very cool program. Let's go down. Let's see what their bonuses are, because you're going to be getting those bonuses as well. So scroll down, scroll down, scroll down, scroll down, scroll down, and very cool program. Let's see. So you get we went through this with the dedicated chat bot, the drip messages, commercial license, so it's $7,000 value, guys. You're picking this up for just a couple of bucks. See you on the inside, and the bonuses are going to be on the inside. I'm not sure where they are, but we'll figure those out. We'll make sure you get your bonuses. And that is it, guys. So I definitely recommend, like I said, let me jump back on here. There we go. I definitely I love these programs. These are really simple programs. They take 5-10 minutes a day, and you just kind of click them on, and you pick up 15, 20, 30, 100 new contacts for the day. You have it automated, so it just sort of blasts them. You get them over to you want to get them over to your opt-in page, and then you want them to get them onto your email list, and that's basically it. Get them into your funnel. That's the whole purpose of these programs. If someone unsubscribes, no big deal. You're just there's billions of people out there, guys. You just want to keep using these tools to basically automate your system so that you're getting leads in. Here's the reality. You need 30 to 50 leads a day to build a business. Period. You need to get that many new leads coming in every day. If you're not hitting that 30 to 50 leads per day mark, you're going to be going backwards, because people will be unsubscribing to your campaigns, all this kind of thing. So you need to be building that 30 to 50 people every day in order to build your business in most things. All right, guys, hopefully you've liked this review. If you did, give it 2 thumbs up, or 1 thumbs up, of course. Hit the subscribe button and pick up ProfitContact. This has been the ProfitContact review, demo, walkthrough, tutorial, and bonuses. Remember, scroll off and you're going to get it for a discount. Pick it up right now today. And remember, guys, you can always reach out to me, message me. And if you want to leave a comment, what kind of bonuses are you guys looking for? I left this in my last video. I've got a huge library of bonuses. I don't always know what to do. I throw in a lot of the newer programs that people want. But if you want graphics packages, or you need WordPress plugins, or you just want more programs, message me down below and say, hey, Glenn, I want something that does this, and I'll see if I can pick up a bonus for you, or find a program that's going to work for you. All right, guys, make sure you subscribe. Again, this has been ProfitContact review and demo. Cheers.